Today I'm going to make Aroscaldo because it's cold outside. It's onions and garlic. I'm gonna put a little bit, one piece tiny of tanglad, and some a little bit dry dehydrated ginger. Kay wala man ko'y fresh ginger, so kana magamiton. To pour the rice. I use like about 3/4 cup or 1 cup rice that I wash it already. Two teaspoon for pati fresh sauce. Ito, it's my own recipe. Then the chicken. No, the chicken, yes. Black pepper. Black pepper here. Little bit of Himalayan salt. Just like that. And then it's about time to pour the water. Slow boil. Secret ingredient is the muggy syrup. Sometimes I put some chicken cubes, but this time I don't want to put chicken cubes. Cayenne pepper a little bit. Aroscaldo is done. It's ready to eat. It's good for a cold weather with eggs and seaweed with a little bit seasoning. Yummy.